Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best body filler is probably one of the most important materials you'll ever use for car body repair, offering a simple solution to fix dents, scratches, and rust damage, ultimately restoring your vehicle's aesthetic appeal and value. Choosing the right body filler can be tricky, so we're here to break down everything you need to know to make an informed decision, ensuring a smooth and professional finish every time. Number 5. Bondo 00310 Body Repair Kit. It's time to restore your vehicle's beauty. This kit makes fixing dents, dings, and scratches easy and fast. This complete kit contains everything you need for a professional-looking repair. You get the body filler, hardener, spreader, and even a metal patch. It spreads smoothly and cures in just 20 minutes, ready for sanding and painting. It's that simple. This is the original Bondo body filler, trusted by professionals for over 60 years. Get amazing results just like the pros. Repair your vehicle yourself and save money. This kit provides all the materials you need for a high-quality repair. See the difference it makes. Transform your damaged vehicle into a showpiece. What we like. It's the original formula used by professionals for over 60 years, and it sets quickly. If you need a fast and reliable repair, and you value a trusted brand with a long history of success, this is the one for you. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts tackling dents and scratches, providing professional quality results in a short amount of time. What people say. It filled the hardware holes perfectly on wood furniture. And a small dent in the wood as well. Dried super fast, like in 20 minutes I was already sanding. Bondo is an easy-to-use paste-like substance that is activated by the addition of an accelerator you mix into the paste to start the hardening process. Once it sets up, it is remarkably easy to sand out the excess Bondo with sandpaper. Recently used the Bondo body repair kit on my vehicles at home, and it's been a game-changer. This original formula is incredibly lightweight and made repairing dents, rust holes, and scratches a breeze. The kit includes everything you need for durable repairs: body filler, red cream hardener, self-adhesive metal body patch. Number 4. Bondo Glazing and Spot Putty. Say goodbye to imperfections. This versatile putty easily repairs scratches, pinholes, and minor damage on various surfaces. It's perfect for metal, fiberglass, and wood. You can even use it on sanded, primed, or painted surfaces. With a fast 3-minute work time, it's incredibly efficient. You can get the job done quickly and easily. This putty dries quickly and is ready to sand in just 30 minutes. It's perfect for a smooth finish. It's non-staining, ensuring a consistent and professional-looking paint finish every time. Get a flawless result with ease. Watch how easily it fills in scratches, pinholes, and other minor imperfections. It's the perfect solution for minor repairs. For over 75 years, Bondo has been a trusted name in automotive repair. Get professional results with Bondo. What we like. This one is incredibly versatile and dries quickly. If you're working on various surfaces and need a filler that won't stain your paint job, this is an excellent choice. Its fast drying time and non-staining formula make it ideal for quick repairs and a smooth finish. What people say. Works as advertised. Make sure to read on how to use. It does a great job filling dents, uneven surfaces and nail holes before painting. It dries quickly, sands easily, scrapes off putty knives easily, but bonds securely to your job material. I have been using it to fill and shape 3D print lines and fill in areas that have been slightly misshaped from support material. It works really well and sands smooth really easily. Number 3. Evercoat Lightweight Body Filler. It's lightweight and won't clog your sandpaper. This means less effort and a smoother finish for your project. Sanding is a breeze, even with just 80 grit sandpaper. You'll save time and get a professional-looking result. Its clog-free formula means less waste and more value for your money. Say goodbye to frustrating sanding sessions. It works great on steel, aluminum, fiberglass, and many other surfaces. It's the perfect all-around body filler. It's part of a complete line of high-quality automotive repair products, including putty and primer. Get the professional results you deserve. This body filler is designed for ease of use, providing a smooth, even finish with minimal effort. What we like. It's lightweight, sands easily, and won't clog your sandpaper. If you value efficiency in a smooth finish and want to save time and money on sandpaper, this is the best option. Its lightweight formula and clog-free nature make sanding a breeze, resulting in a professional-looking repair. What people say. I always use Evercoat products because the quality is consistently predictable good. If you're a professional who doesn't need to slather half an inch of Bondo over your work, this is the right product for light skim coats. Easy to sand and it won't clog your paper. Add a little fiberglass resin, and you'll have perfect spot putty for filling pinholes. The filler is excellent, dries rock hard and is easy to sand. Minor pinholes when spread, but that's expected from any filler. Restoring an old Impala after finishing up all the sheet metal work, I wanted to start cleaning up everything. Man, this filler is very easy to work with. I highly recommend this stuff. Number 2. US Chemical Special Light Filler. This lightweight filler is perfect for a variety of applications. It's easy to use and provides excellent results. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to handle and apply, saving you time and effort. You'll appreciate the convenience. It delivers superior performance, providing a smooth and even finish. It's a high-quality product you can trust. It's suitable for many different projects, both big and small. Discover its versatility today. This filler offers a great balance of performance and ease of use. Make it your go-to solution. This convenient gallon container provides ample material for your projects. It's easy to store and manage. What we like. This product offers a large quantity at a cost-effective price point. If you need a large amount of filler for a big job, or you are on a budget, this is a great option. The lightweight formula makes application easier, and the large quantity ensures you have enough for the job. What people say. It's lightweight and easy to apply, making it perfect for body repair projects. It sands down smoothly and provides a strong, durable finish. It's lightweight, easy to sand, and provides a smooth finish. It also cures quickly, making the whole process faster. It's easy to mix and apply, with great adhesion and smooth finish. It sands down beautifully, making it ideal for repairs. Number 1. Custom Shop 5-inch Spreaders. Tired of messy filler application? These spreaders make the job easy and precise. Get perfectly smooth results every time. Its flexible design allows for easy spreading of fillers, putties, and glazes. Say goodbye to uneven surfaces. Perfect for auto body repair, epoxy resin pours, and even acrylic paint pouring. It's a multi-purpose tool for various applications. These spreaders are built to last. Clean them easily and use them again and again for all your projects. Get 50 spreaders in one convenient pack. You'll always have plenty on hand for any job, big or small. Achieve professional-looking results on your automotive bodywork. They're designed to make repairs quick and easy. Use them to create stunning effects in your resin and paint pouring projects. Get smooth, even pours every time. What we like. This is a reusable tool that allows for precise application of filler. If you value precision and control during application, and want a reusable tool that will last, this is the perfect choice. It's great for achieving a professional finish with various fillers and putties. What people say. I use these spreaders for fillers and epoxy. They work great for both. I used these on Bondo, caulk and wood filler. There's a lot of multi-uses for them. Regardless of what you use it for, it's gonna help your task. Good quality. I got 50 on the nose just like was advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.